Hello, this is Rightos of Rightos Gaming, and here's some of the games I play with colorful commentary. Sometimes I do very well in video games, sometimes not so much. But either way, it's for your entertainment. Anyway, this is Rightos Gaming. Welcome. Hello. This is Rightos Gaming, and I'm here to bring you another episode of The Walking Dead. Where we last left off, we started raiding a school that was run by a group named Crawford that seemed to have a Nazi complex and believing in a perfect society, ridding themselves of children and sickness. Yeah, anyway, it's been empty, so I guess they must have all folded. So we'll see what happens now. They'll never find us in here.
Take a look around. I'll make sure no stragglers get under this door.
Damn right you will. And sorry if I don't sound too loud. I'm a little under the weather. Anyway, let's venture.
Well, I can see where the battery should be, but it's not.
Perfect.
Okay.
Looks like Crawford had their own semi-trucks.
Oh boy, they had a fleet.
That blinking must be an anti-theft system. Good chance of a working battery being in that car, if I can find a way to get up there. I can't reach it up there.
Well, no shit, Sherlock.
Looks like it's the hose for the lift hydraulics. More of Crawford's rules. How did anybody live like this? I'd rather take my chances on the outside.
Because you have been so far?
It's the panel that controls the hydraulic lift over there. I can do something with that. Oh. Goody. Don't think I can pry that hose apart with just my hands. Maybe if I had something to cut it with.
Like an ice pick?
Something you need?
Think I can borrow that hook thing of yours?
I don't know. Hilda and I have been through a lot together.
Hilda?
That's what I call her. Don't judge.
Please, can I borrow Hilda? I'll take good care of her. She won't get a scratch.
And she won't come back pregnant.
I got your promise now. Not a scratch.
Yes, I somehow don't want to know what you've been doing with that handle.
Did it.
Yeehaw.
Whoa!
That's probably not
frick.
good.
No shit!
I'll try to hold him off. Hurry!
There's the battery. Finally something goes right.
Kinda.
It's off. Got that one off.
And now she is mine.
Got it.
Yeah, but we still got a problem here. Put it in here. I'll carry it.
That
Okay,
doesn't make much
follow me.
sense. Whatever.
Move your ass!
Yeah. Rock the boat.
Now what? shot.
Shoot it out!
Yeah. Finally, we get to use a gun in this game. It's been a while. Oh, I'm so used to some old geezer dropping me every time.
Okay, so now we're on the roof.
Do you ever stop complaining? Come on.
Well, excuse me for not having some fancy-ass climbing hook.
Come on, what are you, chicken? Jump!
What did you call me? Well, now that
I called you Chicken McFly. Yeah! I called you Chicken McFly, what are you gonna do about it? Dude, this place just got a shit ton load
Come on.
creepier.
Later. Something I gotta do first.
What?
Catch you later.
Wait, you still got the battery.
Yeah, I think I'll hold on to it. Make sure you don't leave without me. See you back in class.
Molly! Damn it, what the hell is she doing?
Women.
Can't open it without the combination.
God damn it, Logan. Why couldn't you just left the locker open? Alright, I think we've already ventured through there. I don't think I want to go back to the alley.
Little help! Little help here!
Oh,
Fuck! The doors won't close all the way!
Lee, do something!
a bullet.
We got it!
Break the door with something!
Oh, what was I supposed to do?
Fuck! The doors won't close all the way!
Lee, do something!
Again.
We got it!
Break the door with something!
Oh, there we go. And we go again. Yes.
Got a hold?
Damn well better.
There's so many of them.
You got the fuel.
Let's not start high-fiving each other just yet.
Yeah, that sounded like
Get
there
the
was a
hell
little
back to the
glitch where I was
classroom.
going to try to
What's the
play
hand
the
with these fuel
cutscene, then I
cans? They weigh
decided,
a
oh, hey, we
goddamn
actually
ton.
got to play the cutscene. Oh well. Harmless glitch.
You're back!
Yeah, and we made out pretty good, too. Great work, Kenny. How you doing with that door? Not so good. Here, let me give you a hand. Did you get that battery yet?
Yeah, Molly has it. She should be back here soon.
She'd better be.
Let's just start
Bree?
randomly talking to people.
Hey, Lee. Thanks for all your help back there. I don't think we would have made it without you.
No problem. We're all on the same team. So you're a cancer survivor, like Vernon and the others.
Yeah, I was diagnosed when I was in college. Been getting treatment ever since. Just when I was starting to get better, when I thought there might be some hope, all this happened.
How old
Lost
are
my
you?
whole family. I'm the only one who survived. Funny how things work out, huh?
Irony.
How long have you known Vernon?
Couple of years. He ran our support group. He was really great, helping me come to terms with my disease. But how do you come to terms with something like this? With a place like Crawford? I don't know what I or the other survivors would have done without Vernon. He's the one who held us together, kept us alive.
What do you think about this whole Crawford situation?
I'd rather not talk about it. Too many awful memories. Even being back here gives me a bad feeling.
Even now, with Everyone dead?
I got no sympathy for what happened to these people. They weeded out the sick and the old, even children, those least able to defend themselves so that they could save their own skins.
And now look
Whatever
at him.
happened here, however Crawford fell, I consider it poetic justice.
Damn, girl, that's
I
cool.
agree.
It's how I feel. If you'd seen what I seen, you'd feel the same.
You know the things I've seen.
I'm a little
You're
busy
not
here.
enough,
Lee.
I've lived.
Maybe you should go get that
Judge
battery
me.
or help with the medicine.
No power, no TV.
Yeah, I think I want to talk to them first. Talk to this
What do we still need?
useless douche
We already
nozzle.
got the fuel in the battery. Once we find some medicine, we'll be good to go.
So where's this battery you found?
Molly has it. She ran off to do something.
Well, she'd better bring it back here. I don't know why you trusted that girl.
It's to power
once.
Hilda.
You hardly know her.
You know.
She saved your life, didn't she?
Yeah, but what has she done for me lately?
There is something you can help me with. Something that's been on my mind. I could use your opinion.
What is it?
It's Kenny. Since I've been helping him work on the boat, I've gotten to know him a little better. He's a good guy, you know? And it's eating me up knowing what I know. I've been thinking about telling him the truth.
Ben, come on. This again?
It's my fault Duck and Katya got killed. If I hadn't screwed up back at the motor inn, they'd still be alive. How am I supposed to just carry something like that around? I have to tell him.
Ben, no offense, but have you lost your motherfucking mind?
He'd kill
Kenny's
your
barely
ass.
hanging on. You tell him you're to blame? I don't even want to think about what he might do.
I know. I've thought about that. But I don't know how much longer I can keep looking him in the eye. I feel like I'm lying to him by not telling
I'm
him.
telling you, man, it's a bad idea. Real bad.
Hey, maybe you're okay walking around with somebody's blood on your hands, but that's not who I am. I can't just pretend it never happened.
Look, we need Kenny. You need
Yeah, way to
hold
be
this shit
righteous.
together if
You're
we're
gonna
get
wind
out
up
of here.
dead.
So you need to keep this to yourself, for the good of everyone. You hear me?
Sorry about the messy hair too. I just kind of
I
wake
hear
in and
you.
out
Let me
whenever
get back
I'm
to this.
sick. Alright, but I don't want to blame you when you start shambling around like a zombie. Yeah, let's go help them with the meds. Actually, this feels like a great place to leave this episode. And, well, I guess we get to see what's going to happen with Molly and that battery. No joke intended, but yeah, hopefully we get it back, and I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey you, yeah you, with the clicky mouse or the tablet in your hand. If you like this playthrough and would like to see more, feel free to click the subscribe annotation below, and also feel free to share it amongst others. Thank you very much, and it's greatly appreciated.